Hey everybody, this is just a quick how-to corned beef in a Dutch oven or over charcoal. Now if you like cabbage in your corned beef, add it at about 45 minutes. You're going to want the corned beef on for about an hour and 10 minutes. And watch your coals in the summertime. It's winter where I am. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoy. Okay, I take 1/4 of an onion, put it in, half a bag of carrots, a couple good handfuls of the potatoes, okay guys, you got all, well, half of the stuff in. Pour in 2 beef bouillon cubes, and we got the corned beef. That guy in there. I try to do it just so you set it up so it's not right on the pan. You know, some of it can be. I like to make it so that it has a little barrier between the bottom and that, so it doesn't burn. We're gonna go full on. Okay. That. The rest of the carrots. Oops. The rest of the potatoes. Actually, and we just had 6, medium-sized potatoes, an onion. Let's see how lucky I can get here. 6 cloves of garlic. All right, perfect. Couldn't ask for better. Missed my 1 tater and a garlic. Okay. So now we got that covered. About a damn gallon of water. One. Ooh, nope. 2. We'll go with 2. Alright, see you out at the fire. Okay guys, we are ringed up. Check it here, it's just starting to steam. Ooh, it smells delicious. Get that set back on there good and tight. Now check this out. About 38, 40 degrees right now where I'm at, and that's the coal base I got under it. And I do that for a reason, especially in wet dishes like this, because especially when it's cold outside, you want it to cook, and it's a lot of heat to keep cast iron warm. So every time you reload your coals, you gotta reload your coals. So feed on the charcoal, leave a little bit in the bottom of the little burner. Most people have one of those little round burners. I just grabbed a couple grates off the smoker side of this and make my own little thing. Works perfect. By the time I gotta add some more, it's ready to go. Okay, we're looking at about an hour and 10 minutes later. Let's see what we got. Smells delicious. We want 160. And it's time to eat. There you have it. Corned beef in the Dutch oven. And the wife's homemade pumpkin bread for dessert.